Hello and welcome. This video will show students how to use the Search Journal Titles feature under Research Tools. First, go to the Regent Library homepage at regent.edu/regent-library/, then go to Research Tools. Here, you'll select Search Journal Titles, and then this will redirect you to Primo's feature of journals, magazines, and newspapers. Then here, you will type in the journal that you would like to search for. For this video, we'll be searching for Business and Professional Ethics Journal. And here you can see that this is a journal and it is Business and Professional Ethics and that this is available online. Once you click on the Available Online feature, it should redirect you to the database that has that journal listed. And then you can navigate the journal by selecting the year, the volume, and then scrolling through all of the articles and selecting the one you would like to read. And that is how to find a journal using the Search Journal Titles. And as always, if you have further questions, you can ask a librarian and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.